DocuSign eSignature for Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows you to sign documents and send documents for signature directly from Dynamics. Merge Fields simplifies the sending process by automatically importing data from Dynamics to a DocuSign template so that fields are pre-populated, eliminating the need for manual data entry by the sender or the recipient. You can also merge data from a DocuSign agreement to Dynamics. If your recipient added or updated information when signing the agreement, this data will write to Dynamics so that your system of record is always up to date. To merge data from DocuSign to Dynamics, Step 1, create a DocuSign template. Step 2, configure a custom button. And Step 3, complete an envelope. Let's take a look at an example. Step 1 is to create a DocuSign template. In this case, I have an NDA that I am sending to a customer with several fields to complete. When I send the NDA form, I have set up merge fields to populate my DocuSign agreement with some data from Dynamics. In this example, the customer has changed addresses and will update the address field in the NDA. The process I'll build next will capture this change by updating the address field to Dynamics. Step 2 is to create the custom process in Dynamics. Go to Settings, Processes, New. Add a process name. For the category, select Workflow. For entity, select DocuSign Transaction and click OK. Select the scope to be Organization. Next, select when the process will trigger under Start When. The typical trigger will be when record fields change. Click Select to define the field that changes, which is typically envelope status. Click Add Step and select Check Condition. Add a description and select Click to Configure. In this example, we will trigger the process when DocuSign Transaction record field envelope status equals completed. Save and close this step. Next, click on Select this row and click Add Step. Select DocuSign Integration and choose Get Field Value. Add a description and click Set Properties. For envelope value, look for the operator DocuSign Transaction, envelope ID, click Add and OK. For tag label, enter the name of the DocuSign field you want data from. In this example, we will use a data label address. If you have multiple fields you want to merge, you could add a step and repeat the Get Field Value configuration for each field. We'll add another one here for city, state, and zip. Once you've added all your fields, go to Add Step, Update Record. Add a description. Next to Update, choose the Dynamics entity type you're updating. In this example, we'll choose Account. Click Set Properties. Here, navigate to the field on the record template that you are wanting to merge your DocuSign data into. Select the field. In the first drop-down under Look For, choose the output of the process step. Choose the data type you want to write back the data. For this, I'll choose text. Repeat for your other fields and click Save and Close when you're finished. The process is ready to go. Click Save and click Activate. We'll now send a DocuSign envelope using the NDA template. This was built using a different custom process where I send a DocuSign template pre-populated with recipient and field data from Dynamics. We'll now send it to the recipient. This is the recipient view. I received this NDA to sign. I've changed addresses, so I will fill this agreement out with new information, add my signature, and complete the agreement. Back in Dynamics, my recipient has completed the envelope. On the record, I can check the address and see that my new address, 123 Main Street, has successfully written back to the Dynamics record with information from the DocuSign agreement. Merging data between Dynamics and DocuSign simplifies, automates, and streamlines your agreement process by ensuring that your systems stay up to date without manual, error-prone, and time-consuming data entry. For any questions or feedback, reach out to msftteam@docusign.com. Thanks for watching.